All right, tip of the day. Don't bring a fake gun to a real gunfight. Minnie Pearl, actually. No, I would like to show you a technique that some people may not know about that have smaller hands or longer digits that might benefit from the mag release and not going to the conventional way where you're actually going off of it to the thumb. The thumb may be a little bit more powerful, but that's just because it's more practiced than the other style. Once you get the strength, you can get your finger in here and not really move your grip a whole lot. So when one goes to a reload, normal way is to grab the thumb, switch it back into its firing grip, and then go into shoot. What I'm suggesting is if you have smaller hands, please don't go back here to the mag release from your firing grip to the mag release and then to the magazine. You are taking precious time and basically wiping your butt with it. So with a technique that my wife actually showed me is to go ahead and hit the button here with your hand. So it looks like this. Didn't really move my grip around too much. I was able to hit it and go for the reload. So I'm out here, I'm shooting. Oh crap, I'm empty. Now at the same time, my hand hits the magazine. Now I'm pressing the button, inserting, and I'm back into firing. And it didn't take me a whole bunch of travel and time to get back on course. And there you go, Roy Clark.